Well, I know you waited for a tutorial on this look for too long, and I know this one is your favorite, so I'll show you how I created. I pre-made a latex fang using cotton and latex, and teeth are made from polymorph or thermoplast. I already made tutorial how to create your face cast, so you can find it on my channel. Don't get too crazy about filling your teeth into this mask because, you can glue them afterwards. You can see here that I'm applying latex on my face and mask, and you can also see that there are no teeth on left side because it's a little bit easier to glue them afterwards when you already applied the mask. If you don't have your face cast, it's not a problem because you can create all this thing with cotton on your face, but I think you'll need a little bit more time. After latex is dried, you may use hair dryer for this. I started sketching and filling my design with black. If you're not completely sure of what you're doing or if you want to have like backup plan, use white or nude eye pencil because it will be really easier to correct it later. But I don't really have time, so I'm using black because I had a vision. By the way, what I really love about myself, I always give you good advices, but I forget about them while I create those looks because, when I'm into creation, I completely forget almost everything. I know how it would be better, but I'm into it, so yeah. Watch my tutorials, but please just listen to me at least a little bit because I give you advices that are made after my mistakes. By the way, I finally need to say hi. My name is Rina, and you are really welcome on my channel where I create SFX looks, makeup, and we talk about beauty not only from outside but also from inside. And if it resonates with you, I'm really happy to welcome you here. Subscribe to this channel, like this video if you like it, of course, because it really helps me to create more. And in case if you want to say thank you and buy me a coffee or help me to get new camera, you are really welcome to find the link in my description where will be all products and also links. And we're back to tutorial thing. I'm using white from Moon Creations. You can use cream colors here or water activated colors, but it depends on you. And there are so many things to consider because, water based colors are easier to use and easier to wash off your face, but cream colors give you better blending. If you need, I can create a video that is all about water-based and cream colors, and we can compare the blending, we can compare everything. Just let me know and I'll film it for you. Now you can see how I use gray brown or just gray eyeshadows to create the depth. And I'd say blend it a little bit more to the outside part, it will give you even better result. Because, when you see something afterwards, you can tell that it will be better like that. After that, I take white again and fill eyes. I spent a lot of time to decide what I want to see on my neck, but then I decided to paint it white, draw there a spider web with a huge spider. Then I've decided that I want it to be a little bit scarier, so I've put a little bit of fake blood on my fangs. Let me know what do you think about this look and see you in the next video.